until the safety bars are completely closed. For your safety, please remain seated and keep your hands and feet inside the ship throughout the entire ride. Thank you.
Yeah.
Gotta go around, sorry.
Thank you for riding the pirate ship. Please exit on the boardwalk side of the ship. Enjoy your day.